The government has been sued for constitutional breaches in relation to the Dry Harbour Mountain mining permit.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Viewers, the fight to block mining in the ecologically sensitive Puerto Bueno Mountains on Jamaica's northern coast is heading to the Supreme Court, as residents are suing the government and the mining company for alleged breaches of constitutional rights. The 8 claimants filed their claim in the Supreme Court on Thursday the 17th of December against the Attorney General, the National Resources and Conservation Authority, and the Bengal Development Limited, the owners of the 569-acre property in St. Ann. They are also seeking a permanent injunction against mining on the property. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has been at the center of the controversy after overturning, in his capacity as Environment Minister, the May 2020 decision of the National Environment and Planning Agency NEPA not to grant a permit for the mining of limestone because of the land's ecological value. NEPA is the administrative arm of the NRCA, which was established to protect Jamaica's physical environment. The PM argued that his administration's enlightened decision was made to protect the environment while ensuring economic development. Some $635 million in taxes is projected to flow into government coffers, and 100 jobs created with a wider commercial pitch for the area. The residents and advocates have not been sold on the idea, arguing that the mining threatens endangered and endemic species in the largely untouched dry limestone forest that dominates the mountain range, which is a key water source for our communities. Holness's action, which the law allowed, as well as the permit granted to Bengal, abrogates, abridges, and infringes several constitutional rights. The residents contended in their claim form filed on their behalf by Queen's Counsel Michael Hilton of the firm Hilton Powell. They argued that their right to enjoy a healthy and productive environment, free from threat of injury, environmental abuse, and degradation, to reside in any part of Jamaica, and to protection from degrading treatment will be infringed upon. The permanent injunction is to restrain Bengal from starting or continuing any mining, quarrying or other activity allowed under the permit, which was issued in November. Among the things being sought are a declaration that neither the manner nor the extent of the breaches or likely breaches of the said constitutional rights is demonstrably justified in a free and democratic society, and an order that Holness's decision and the permit are void and of no effect, and or should be struck down. The permit has 72 conditions, which the Prime Minister said would mitigate for impact on species biodiversity for the area and ensure greater management of the total acreage. Hilton, one of the country's leading attorneys, said a date for the first hearing has not yet been decided. He said the defendants named in the suit are to be served. The Supreme Court breaks for the holiday on Friday, December 18th, when its current term also ends. Mining has been approved for 123 acres of the property. Bengal Development, a St. Lucia incorporated entity, is a subsidiary of US-based Jamaica World LLC. Jamaica World bought Bengal in 2017. The same year, previous landowners, Diamond Property Development Company, agreed a settlement with Surrey Paving and Aggregate Limited, which has got ownership of the land through court orders after a deal with Diamond soured. The principals of Diamond, which has since been removed from the company's office registry, include Dwayne Blake, the son of Vivian Blake, the reputed leader of the ruling Jamaica Labour Party-aligned Shower Posse criminal gang. Diamond first submitted an application for quarrying on the property in February of 2010. Up to the time of this publication, a response sought from Kashif Sweet, managing partner of Jamaica World, was not forthcoming.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!